everybody, it's Greg again. That 1760 8-row planter. Now this is precision planter, set up MaxEmerge Plus. So we're going to show you that the markers fold down the way they should. We've already showed you the running gear. Go ahead, John. Back up. Now this one will go down. Folded out, there's no bends or breaks out on the markers. A lot of the times you guys will see them where there's a lot of slop and play in your bushings. This one doesn't. Everything's nice and solid. No breaks, no bends. Again, precision planter, MaxEmerge Plus, John Deere 1760. Make sure you check this one out.